Hi everybody, I'm JT.
I'm Harry.
Welcome to the Campervan and Motorhome Show here at the NEC. We're going to have a good look round today and hopefully find some amazing vans, possibly one to replace our Volkswagen California.
Maybe just.
Enjoy the video and remember to hit the button to like and subscribe and drop us any comments below. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Yes.
So we are here. We've arrived at the NEC, at the, I never get the name right, it's the Motorhome and Caravan Show 2022. It's actually the second one of 2022 because there's one in February as well. So the weather was absolutely appalling driving up, but we're going to have a good old wander, spending the day here looking at all the fantastic new vans. We seem to have arrived in the caravan section, which isn't really our thing, so we're going to go and find the campervans and motorhomes and enjoy our day. So this is exactly one of the vans that we were interested in seeing. This is the Heimer 540 edition, so quite a small van with a pop top. So a short van, but with sleeping 4/4 because you've got a pop top up the top. Really nice quality of fixtures and fittings. Double burner and a sink. Small toilet. Only problem from our point of view is the seats. It doesn't look particularly comfortable for the long distance travelling. I'll have to get Harry to try it out.
Nice.
How does that feel?
It's comfortable.
Comfy?
It's not too upright. There's enough space for two.
Budget?
Obviously, I want pins.
That's all right.
Window.
It's okay.
And this comes.
So two of us sat here. I think that's okay.
Yeah.
Actually.
Let's buy it.
Yeah, let's buy it.
It's free.
So you've got sleeping up the top.
Oh, it's a pop top.
Pop top up the top. Still got storage in there. Nice storage cupboards up here. No, I think. Do you think that would be comfortable for travelling for 3 or 4 hours a go?
The seats are comfortable. It's not too upright.
Okay, well that's good because it looked more upright. So this Heimer 540 edition, as it stands, is about £72,000. I do really like it. I've always liked it, but we haven't been able to see one. So it's great to be able to see one and touch it in the flesh. But I would prefer one that's a 6 metre because it would give us a bit more day space. But I think we need to have a look at the free 600 next to it, which will be the next size up. So this is the Heimer free 600 Campus, again one of their special edition vans, so 6 metres long, a pop top up the top which gives you 2 extra spaces, which is great for us. We'll just have a look in the back.
So this is another bed. That goes up here.
How does that feel? Same?
Yes.
So is it noticeably, where's the extra space?
Bigger. Back there.
It's back here. So 6 metres long, you get extra space, it looks like, in the sleeping area, but mattress support that folds down. Nice storage up here. Just pop that down. And storage cupboards, plenty of lashing points too. So still plenty of storage underneath for all our stuff. There's room for the dog as well to go down with her crate. Heating outlets.
Quite a nice fridge.
Upright fridge.
It's big. Oh. There you go, there's the fridge. With a freezer top at the bit at the top.
Double burner. I do like the facility for having the pop top on these vans, because it does mean that there's room for obviously Harry to sleep somewhere separately. Also, you can use it just as a chill out space if it's parked somewhere for the day, so it just gives you another living area. I think these vans have just had quite a significant model year update as well from Fiat. I'll just check the specs that everything comes as standard. We would want an automatic gearbox. So it's really good to have been able to see both of these two Heimers side by side, because they've been on our shortlist as a possible replacement van for well over a year. So good thumbs up for Heimer for bringing these, because at the last show they weren't actually here. So next on our list is Adria. So let's go and have a look and see what they have. So Adria have got a great selection of vans here for us to have a look at. So we're going to try and find something that's appropriate for the sort of thing we're looking at. 6 meters-ish, with ideally 4 berth. Try not to get distracted by the 6.4s and the motorhomes.
Dad, no.
So this is a 2 berth, this one.
So no, never.
So when you're sleeping,
Yeah,
you
that's
drop that down and it goes on top of your living area.
my
Now your fridge is here, that's completely different. There's no travelling seats.
Oh yeah.
So it's absolutely a 2-person van, because there's no travelling seats, 2 beds, but a different layout, having the fridge here, which I haven't seen before. So fridge and then storage and then cooker, and then a descending bed, 2-person bed, and nice little bathroom. So it's just 2 of you. Actually a really ingenious layout, but not the sort of thing that we're looking for. But nice lounge area too. You reckon?
Yeah.
So why is it more comfortable?
It isn't for me. There's a massive for it.
So remember, you've moved the table out of the way for travelling.
I don't think it's comfortable.
It was the lumbar support, I would say. The bottom didn't go right to the back of the seating.
And you can see how it's shaped out. So it comes out like that.
But the
There's more
head
width at the front where there's storage all the way along here.
Can I have a look back there?
It's not like more.
Really nice pop top. So you've got a little oven. Yeah. Check it out. I don't know. 200 no windows at back. So I like the configuration and layout of this one. Quality seems pretty good as well, and Adria vans are really, really popular, so they must be doing something right.
No, I don't think they're.
So we're now on the Auto Trail stand, and this is a brand that we haven't looked at or even considered before. So what drew us in was these travelling seats look really contoured and sculpted, which would suggest they'd be more comfortable for longer journeys. So we're just trying those out. And one thing that Claire's picked up on is that the base of the seat is actually quite sculpted as well. So you're sort of wedged into a position that on the outer edge pushes you against the edge of the van. So actually, whilst it looks comfortable, it's not as comfortable as it might first appear. But it's really, really good value. It's £10,000 less than the Adria vans next door at around £65,000. So is the value for money worth the compromise on the seat comfort? So we've got.
If you're going to be silly, we'll leave you there. Leave you there.
Am I imagining this, or is it all on the other side? Is the door on the others? The door's on that side, isn't it? Yeah. So we've got a reverse layout. So sliding doors on the what's the UK near side, the left-hand side. So the kitchen's here. What's it? Cupboard and fridge, and then bathroom behind you. What's the bathroom like?
It's quite a long vehicle, so it's quite a nice size the bathroom. You've got your shower and your toilet.
It's a weird toilet.
So I hate to say it, but that is a real shame, because that looks really, really good value for money, and the shaping of the seat on first sight makes it look really comfortable. But when you're sat in there on the travelling seat that's next to the window, you are sort of squished up. You're wedged in against the window. So if there was 4 of you in there trying to eat, you couldn't do it. So it's really, as much as it's marketed as such, I think it's really a 3-person van. With 3 of you, then it's probably okay. But a bit of disappointment. The outer edge seat was perfect, so, but nice to see something that's not on our list as a possible alternative. If you fancy some 1970s caravan upholstery, then this could be the van for you.
So they're big, 6x2.
Certainly an acquired taste, and not the sort of thing we're looking for. I think we'll give the auto sleepers a miss.
But it's nice to have a sit.
It was nice to have a sit down, yeah. Oh, this looks like fun. So we wanted to have a look, well, I wanted to have a look at this Malibu behind us, but there's one design feature which I don't know if you can see over my shoulder. In the 2 minutes we've been stood here, 5 people have just said, why are there toilet seats sat to the side of the van? So guess what? It's just put us off.
Yes, it has. It's a bit weird.
What a weird design.
Double doors.
Double door fridge. Try that seat.
That's great. Mum, it's a double door fridge. It's a dream. You don't like me, do you?
So this is a Globe Car Summit, priced around 74,000. Feels quite open. So my imagination, or just because it's got a light up there. Got a big window at the front.
Hey, there are no seat belts.
What?
There's no.
Well, there will be a buckle for it. It'll be down the back. What's the width? So that one doesn't come out like the other ones do?
No. Nice size.
It feels more spacious, I don't know why.
This is quite solid.
Light.
It's a block the steps.
Standing, yeah. And you've got windows inside as well, so windows down the side there, which will make it feel more spacious. It's cupboard space.
It's an interesting thing. Time to escape. Yes, I know, I love it.
I was quite impressed by that, I have to say. That Globe Car Summit.
861.
The version of, if I get my pronunciation right, Purcell. Anyway, it must be good. Business must be good because they put a sign up saying it's sold out till 2024. They've also got an ingenious option for travel seats. Haven't been able to see them on the vans, but on the banner behind me. So for one person, for two people, and then for three with an extra seat in the corridor. Not quite sure where you would store that.
Ingenious!
So this is a Dreamer Addict, I think it's called. This is a 5.4 metre van with 4 berths. So good things, nice big window at the front. Pop top. Short van, so it makes it easier for parking. However, travel seat. Got loads of storage, but
Oh,
you're going to bang your head. Sit down. And what's the bathroom like?
bathroom.
Oh, shorter van means a very cosy bathroom. Nice to have a little window. Small bed too. Got a narrow bed. It's also got a really narrow bed. So it's a very compact van. There's a lot of compromises in terms of the layout to get into that shorter van. So angled bed, smaller toilet, very little workspace on the counter, but still a four person apparently. But I think it's really too cosy for that.
We'll come back to there. So I thought
So we're at the point now where we've been walking around for a few hours and we are beginning to get lost. Everything's looking the same. All the camper vans look the same. All the alleyways look the same. Will we be able to find our way out?
No.
We might have to consult the map. So we have had an amazing day here at the NEC in Birmingham, looking at all these fantastic vans. This Heimer venture behind us is
Pretty
probably
big.
the most impressive out of all we've seen. A real game changer, but with a very high price tag. So we hope you've enjoyed the video. Remember, if you have, please click the button to like and subscribe to follow our adventures here on Campervan Journey. And we look forward to catching you on our next video very, very soon.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks
Bye.
for watching.